Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. As a mom, are you looking for an easy, unique and beautiful hairstyle that you want to style for your daughter? Like a cute hairstyle, that style that will make your daughter look beautiful. Maybe you are going to a birthday party or you are going to a marriage ceremony. You don't have that time to make a big style for your daughter, but you need something unique, something beautiful. Just sit tight. Let me walk you through on how you can easily style this beautiful hairstyle for your princess. Trust me when I say this hairstyle, you don't need needles, you don't need thread. All you just need is just your rubber band, gel, and the hair you want to fix. So, are you wondering on how you can style it? Come, let me walk you through and how you can do it. Let's get started. This is the hair control I'm using for this hair. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section. Feel free to go check it out in case you are interested to buy. This very one is very nice. So how we make the hair, I section it. You see the way I section it now from this side to the other side. After that, I clear the part with edge control and I use hair packer to hold the hair. So what we are going to do, we're going to section the front into three, which is one side and one side the other side. Then I'm going to be needing black rubber band for this hair. And another thing is what I did before I started, I sprayed the hair with rosemary water and I moisturize it before we got started. So, and I use black rubber band to pack the hair. And what another thing is, if you have hairbrush, you can also use hairbrush. Depends on the length of your daughter's hair. So her hair is quite long and I just use hairbrush before using my tiny comb. You can also use white matte comb. So what I did after that, I twisted all the hair into two, which is the front a side. I section it into three parts, but I twist everything six. So this back here, I'm going to section it into four, and I'm going to twist each one. So after I section it round, I part this side, this back side, into four, and I'm going to twist one just like that. I'm not going to twist it like two in one like the other side. So this is how it is. So I use color rubber band for the back, and this is how I'm going to pack everything. So after I finish packing all the hair with colored rubber band, I just twist everything. See the way I'm twisting it now? Hope you are following my hand. So yeah, this is how I twisted it. So if you like this video you're watching right now, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do and subscribe. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and subscribe if you like this video, like and comment, and also share, guys. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support us, and I also ask that you should help us to share our video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this hair. So now we are done with the twisty part. This is the last one. So I'm going to spray this hair again. Yeah, after spraying it, I comb it with white matte comb and use brush to smooth the hair. I applied a little hair control to it. Then I will be taking one from this side. I use rubber band to hold it, which is the two I taking now. Then I will take another one from the other side again, which is, I do so like just like this. And what I did after I crossed it, I see that when I saw that it didn't pass, I put that one on top of it. You see the way I do it now, to put that on top of it like this. So what I was trying to write here is just trying to write M, and it worked. So this back, I'm going to cross it just like this. I'll cross two, use rubber band, then I'll cross the other two, then I'll use rubber band for everything. Then after finishing this last part now, that is when I'm going to use hair packer to hold the hair, which is this black hair packer. So I'll be needing two of it, but for now I'm going to use only this one. I fold it into two because I've used it like 2-3 times, so it's kind of slack, so that is why I fold it. Now I'm going to weave the edge, and this, you remember this one we twisted, I added it to it, so I'm going to weave everything together. When you are weaving it, most especially at the down of the hair, you have to hold it very well so that the tip of those ones you bring, they can go along with it. So after I finish weaving it, I'm going to twist it round just like this. Twist it round. Then I'm going to also use rubber band to hold it. Yes, it's rubber band I use, not packer. Now here is the hair I'm going to use. It's mean I fixed this myself. Normal, this is cornrow hair, so I just fix it in this packer, and I use the packer to hold it just like so. So when you are done, make sure it's very tight. Do not affect the hair at all. So I make sure it's very tight. Then I brought the hair back, turn it. So when I was turning it, I dropped one aside. So you can use any color you want for this hairstyle, but I was having this one at home and I needed to make her hair. So because I like my kids to have different kind, I like be changing their hair. So after I roll it, I use a packer to just secure it. Then I'm going to use the pin to just to press up to the down. So I'm going to be needing 5 pins for this hair, and we are done. You see how easy it is? This hairstyle is very easy. So that's it, guys. So you see, it's very easy. So thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. If you are going to give it a try, also drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to read from you. All right, thank you so much for your support, for watching our video, and I hope to see you guys in our next video.